Welcome to the channel, tech enthusiasts and drone lovers. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're passionate about aerial photography, cinematic drone shots, or simply love the thrill of piloting a cutting-edge device, then you're going to want to hear all about the DJI Mini 5 Pro specs, features, and what makes it a true game changer. Rumors have been circulating for months, and now with official leaks hitting the internet, we finally have a clear picture of what DJI has been cooking up. The DJI Mini 5 Pro doesn't just build on the success of the Mini 4 Pro, it reinvents what we thought was possible in the sub-250G drone category. Lightweight, ultra-powerful, smarter than ever, and packed with innovations, this drone looks set to dominate the skies in 2025 and beyond. In this in-depth breakdown, we'll explore everything from the new 1-inch camera sensor to flight range, battery life, AI enhancements, build quality, and even speculate on the DJI Mini 5 Pro release date and pricing. Make sure to watch till the end, because we also share why the DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the best drone for both hobbyists and professional content creators alike. Visually, the DJI Mini 5 Pro maintains a sleek, aerodynamic profile, but there are important tweaks that make a big difference. First, the front arms have been redesigned for better wind resistance and enhanced flight stability. This makes a major difference when flying in challenging weather conditions. The new main body structure also looks sturdier, promising greater durability without adding significant weight. One standout design improvement is the new vertical shooting gimbal. Unlike previous Mini models, which required you to crop footage if you wanted portrait orientation, the Mini 5 Pro offers native vertical capture. That means smoother, higher-resolution portrait videos ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Additionally, the new drone seems to have a more recessed camera setup. This could potentially improve protection for the lens during landings or rough flights. Another rumored feature? Weather-resistant capabilities. While not IP-rated, the DJI Mini 5 is rumored to handle light rain and mist better than its predecessors, giving you more freedom when capturing epic landscapes. The DJI Mini 5 Pro camera leaks suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive leap forward compared to the 1/1.3 sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. Why does this matter? A larger sensor means better low-light performance, enhanced dynamic range, sharper images with less noise, more cinematic footage overall. Expect 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second for super smooth slow-motion footage. Still photography enthusiasts can look forward to 48 MP RAW photos with richer color depth and incredible clarity. Another rumored upgrade includes a faster aperture, possibly f/1.7, which will further boost low-light capabilities, allowing users to shoot stunning cityscapes at night without needing external lighting. Flying the DJI Mini 5 Pro will feel like piloting a next-gen aircraft. For starters, the enhanced obstacle avoidance system is a huge highlight. Dual front-facing wide-angle sensors combined with inward-facing sensors mean superior 3D object recognition, minimizing collision risks significantly. Another massive upgrade? Improved GPS locking. The Mini 5 Pro could incorporate triple-band GPS technology for faster, more accurate positioning. This means better stability, even in urban environments where signal interference is common. The improved flight controller also brings new cinematic presets, allowing pilots to capture breathtaking shots with minimal manual adjustments. Smooth pans, dynamic tracking shots, and dramatic pullaways are now just one tap away. And let's not forget, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to support flight speeds up to 57 kilometers per hour, approximate 35 miles per hour, fast enough to keep up with action sports, wildlife, or fast-moving vehicles. Artificial intelligence isn't the future of drones, it's the present, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro proves it. The new ActiveTrack 6.0 system is said to be faster, smarter, and better at locking onto subjects, even through complex environments. Whether you're biking through a forest, surfing massive waves, or hiking rugged terrain, the Mini 5 Pro can stay locked onto you without losing focus. The upgraded cinematic modes include rocket mode, circle tracking, helix spins, drone, perfect selfie pullbacks, new reveal mode for landscape cinematics. Thanks to smarter algorithms, these maneuvers are now smoother and more reliable than ever. Furthermore, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might introduce a cinematic sound capture feature. With onboard microphones capturing real-time ambient audio, you can blend natural sounds with your footage without needing complicated setups. The DJI Mini 5 Pro battery is another area where DJI seems to have pulled off miracles. Leaked information suggests a maximum flight time of up to 50 minutes. A huge step up from the Mini 4 Pro's already impressive 34 to 40-minute real-world performance. Extended flight times open up incredible creative possibilities, allowing you to film multiple takes without battery anxiety, explore larger landscapes, conduct full scouting missions in a single flight. Additionally, the flight range is reportedly increased to 25 kilometers, around 15.5 miles. Paired with stronger transmission tech like DJI O4, OcuSync 4.0, pilots can expect crystal-clear live feeds even over long distances. Safety is paramount when operating drones, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro doesn't disappoint. Precision landing sensors, improved downward vision systems, and new LED illumination systems are designed to make nighttime or low-light landings safer and more accurate. There's also talk of enhanced return-to-home (RTH) functionality, smarter route calculation, improved obstacle avoidance on the way back, and safer emergency landing protocols. Add in new geofencing tools and real-time airspace monitoring, and you're looking at one of the safest consumer drones ever made. Although DJI hasn't officially confirmed a release date, insiders suggest a launch around mid-2025. Pricing speculation places the DJI Mini 5 Pro slightly above its predecessor, possibly starting around $999 for the base kit and $1,299 to $1,399 for the Fly More combo. Given the powerful new hardware, enhanced AI, and camera upgrades, the slight price bump seems completely justified. For content creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks set to deliver incredible value. If you're flying an older Mini or even the Mini 4 Pro, you might be wondering, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth upgrading to? The answer, absolutely, if you value cutting-edge technology. The larger 1-inch sensor alone is worth the switch for photographers. For videographers, the new vertical shooting gimbal, better flight stability, and AI-driven cinematic modes represent massive workflow improvements. Add in longer flight times, smarter safety systems, better GPS accuracy, and a lightweight build under 250G, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro becomes a must-have. In short, the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just an iteration. It's a revolution in ultra-light drone technology. If you're serious about drone content, vlogging, travel videos, or even professional-grade aerial photography, the DJI Mini 5 Pro deserves a place in your gear bag.